Corruption is very difficult. Corruption, in my opinion, a disease once it reaches stage 4 like cancer. Very difficult. But corruption, in my reading of history, corruption will destroy countries, nations, and regimes. So, I am determined to try to cut down corruption. And then sometimes, the only thing is you have to give the example, right? So yes, when I became Minister of Defense, the first night I became Minister of Defense, I remember I called in all my relatives.
Download Tribun X sekarang. Menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.